click the bell icon.
You've been wanting to say that for a long time, man. Hi guys!
Hi everyone! So in this video we're going to talk about some of the things that married couples do. When you've been with someone for a long time, there are certain habits that you get used to and certain habits that you don't get used to, which always makes you mad.
Like when we got married initially, we used to fight over the smallest of things. First fight we had, Percy, was over the toothpaste.
Exactly. So she likes the kind of paste which, the Pepsodent, the white chalky paste, and I like the gel type with the good fragrance, the good smell. So eventually we realized it's better that we buy two toothpastes, one for her and one for me, so that we can both get what we want. Just to put in perspective, how long we've been married, Muzna?
How long have we been married?
Anna Hazare was actually fasting for the Lokpal bill.
That seems like a century ago.
I know.
भारत माता की भारत माता की
When we got married initially, obviously I didn't know how to cook.
Yeah.
Neither did Tossi.
Yeah.
So both of us were just ordering in food most of the time. It's important to learn. This is like a basic life skill. A couple of meals I used to cook and a couple of meals Tossi used to cook. I think it was just a trick because he would burn a lot of basic things.
There's something about cooking and me that just doesn't go together.
He's made rasam eggs.
Rasam anda. It's like, making rasam and basically having boiled eggs inside that. It's a beautiful delicacy that I created.
I'm not very sure this is actually a problem that he has, that he cannot cook, or if it was just a technique to make sure that I cook.
Muzna, I cooked it for 2 minutes. Do you think it's possible Nani can be boiled?
Really?
Coffee is ready. Muzna, I think I put salt instead of sugar.
Can you do this, Tosif? Every single time.
Muzna, I think I burned the toast.
Day, Vidida, you don't have to do anything. Nane patukada.
Muzna, you know how long we've been married?
How long?
From the time that America's Teacher Pooja, Rebecca Black, released her hit single Friday. Remember that song?
Why?
Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend.
Muzna wants to keep an alarm for every 15 minutes, starting almost 2 hours before it's time to wake up.
My roommate in hostel. At that point, I was a big fan of this song from Bachna Hai Hasino.
My God, imagine waking up and listening to Bachna Hai Hasino. Guys, worst nightmare coming true.
She used to get up in the morning and she used to literally cry.
So, what time is it?
7:30 maybe.
What time do you have to wake up?
9 o'clock.
Oh, why is there an alarm at 7:30? What time is it now? Alarm's ringing again. Now, what time is it? 7:45. How many alarms did you keep? Muzna, 7:30, 7:35, 7:40, 7:45. Why do you have so many alarms for 9 o'clock? For waking up at 9 o'clock?
I need to keep the alarm so many times. It just feels nice when I wake up and I see, oh my God, I still have 2 hours to sleep. I'm sure there are a lot of people who do that.
Really? Please let us know if you do that in the comments. Do you know how long it's been since we've been married?
How long?
Nick Jonas was still a virgin.
Why do you know this?
I do, because he took this entire abstinence drive that he went through, and now that he's with Priyanka Chopra, I'm sure that's not the scenario anymore.
I'm simply Madonna. I'm here to save the day. Whatever comes my way, it's the game I play.
One of the things about married life is that one person in the relationship will react very drastically to any situation.
Going back to when we were newly married, I I really love the moon. Like, who doesn't love the moon, right? So when you're going for these late night drives or when you're just on the road and you suddenly see that beautiful moon, I feel like you're reacting to it. And then, I would just call out to Tausif and say, hey Tausif, look at the moon.
See guys, I have nothing against the moon. But the fact that I'll be driving in the middle of the highway and then she goes, Tausif, look. And I'll be like, what happened? Moon, so
Just
beautiful.
in case he misses out, man. Such a beautiful sight.
What? What happened?
There was a cute little puppy there.
Muzna, I thought I hit someone on the road.
But that was a cute little puppy.
See, do you know how long we've been married?
Hold on.
We've been married since the time Ajit's movie Mangata came into theatres.
Whoa, that's a long time ago.
Yeah.
I remember that movie was like a game changer for Ajit, right? He was a salt and pepper band.
George
very good
Clooney.
guy. Yeah, George Clooney.
So we both enjoy movies a lot. I like to watch movies at a regular time. He would start a movie and he'd be like, okay, we're gonna watch a movie, and then he starts a movie at say 12 in the night, movie at 11:30 in the night, which is a little difficult for me.
Only time that you're free. I mean, I probably would have asked her at 6 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, at 8 o'clock, and she'd be like, no, not a movie now, I'm busy, or I'm watching my YouTube videos.
That's the only thing I have to do, watch YouTube videos.
videos.
You're doing a YouTube video
I know.
now.
So basically, for you to watch, at least you can watch me then,
Hey Tausif, let's watch that movie you wanted to watch.
Abraham Lincoln Vampire Slayer?
That movie, let's watch.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm very, very happy today.
Anything for you, baby.
Let me put it. Wait 1 minute. Muzna, this scene is very important, okay? Remember that first scene in the movie about that little girl they showed? It's all going to make sense. So pay attention, okay? This scene is very, very important in the movie. She's like, hey, did you watch this movie? And then I'll be like, yeah. Remember, this is the movie where you slept in this scene? When exactly when the guy was going to kill the girl, that's when you slept. You can actually come back and pinpoint every scene in the movie where she slept.
Tausif, you know how long we've been married?
How long?
We've been married since the time India won its last World Cup.
Wow. That unfortunately seems like a long time ago, right? So I remember that during the World Cup, we had just met. I think we were officially just introduced by our parents, and that was the peak of our romance, wasn't it?
Magnificent. Magnificent Mahindra. He has taken India to victory.
So the first time we actually went out to a restaurant together, we picked the restaurant and it was
Yeah.
actually a buffet.
That was nice. I mean, that was probably because I didn't want to go through that hassle of fumbling with the names of the menu. I don't want to do that. So I thought it's better that we go for a buffet so that we can actually focus on ourselves, have that conversation.
But it was also all about the food.
I think food is an important part of dating. Don't you think so?
Yeah. And when you're married for almost 10 years,
Food is the only important part of dating. So it's been a while since we planned out a date night at home. Thanks, Muzna, for planning this out. Yeah. We can sit, we can have some nice conversations, and eat our food. Yeah. Nice.
the sauce is so good, right?
Yeah. Are you going to eat that?
I was planning to. He ends up eating all his food and then he's eyeing my food.
You know how long you've actually been together?
How long?
Since the time Prince William and Kate Middleton actually started seeing each other.
Wasn't I a kid then?
This couple has a lot of chemistry, right? And they're one of those couples that everyone looks up to.
Yeah.
And I just decided that it was the right time, really. We've been talking about marriage for a while, so it wasn't a massively big surprise. But I took her up somewhere nice in Kenya and proposed.
Even we have a lot of chemistry, don't we?
That's why I end up, thinking so much about his taste and what he likes to eat and what he likes to enjoy. So I end up picking up really different snacks every time we go out to a supermarket or online these days.
She does that.
I always pick up like different tasting, like be it chocolates or biscuits or snacks. I plan in my head, like, okay, tomorrow I'm gonna have this, and day after tomorrow I'm gonna have that, and day after that I'm gonna have this.
But considering that she's bought it for me, it's what she said.
For us. I changed my mind, it's for us. Not
So I go at night time, the first night that she actually brings the snacks home, I actually am on the phone or I'm watching Netflix and I go and finish a couple of those packets.
Oh no!
at least I get one.
Why does this always have to be everywhere, Tosi?
Putting salt on my wounds, he leaves all his wrappers all over the house, man.
Husna, do you know how long we've actually been married?
How long?
Since the time Game of Thrones aired their first episode ever. And that's one of those shows we watched together from start to end. We used to order in so much food.
We used to get the grilled chicken.
Exactly. And the kebab and the rotis. In this movie, Harry Met Sally, there's a line that Harry says that there are three kinds of women. Women who are low maintenance, women who are high maintenance, women who are high maintenance but think they're low maintenance. I mean, that is just judged by the way people order food, right?
What do you mean?
Until I met with you just now, I didn't even know that you could go to a restaurant, look up something in the menu, and actually ask for so many changes.
Really?
Yeah. One chicken tikka roll and one chicken club sandwich, along with one can of Pepsi. Husna, what do you want?
Tosif, I heard their lasagna with basil twist is very nice.
Okay. So give me one lasagna with basil twist, right?
Tosif, can you tell them to put, instead of basil, ask them to put extra Parmesan cheese?
Yeah. Keep the same lasagna with basil twist, but remove the basil and instead.
Tosif, can you ask them to use like wheat pasta instead of the regular pasta?
So the lasagna is the same. So instead of lasagna.
Tosif, can they use a little less of the red sauce and a little more of the white sauce?
Can you use more white sauce and less red sauce?
Tosif, I also want sweet lime juice. Listen, I want sweet lime juice. It should not be sweet.
Husna, do you know how long you've actually known each other?
How long?
Since the time the last Harry Potter movies came.
If there was magic in this world, wouldn't you love it?
I would love it, man. It makes my life so much more simpler.
வீட்ல ஒரு வேலைக்காரி all the time 24/7 is there. No?
Oh no!
Magic would have made you up, simpler, right? Not mine.
Biggie.
I'm a little busy at work during the daytime. So because of that, I normally.
Only because of that.
Here and there, sometimes I ask her to do certain simple things, which I probably could have done myself. But it's so loving and so nice to have someone doing it for you, right? Someone so loving as my wife doing it for me.
No, this much love is not necessary.
Husna,
Yeah, Kasi.
Husna, get me some water, no?
Water.
Water, yeah. Thanks. Husna,
Water, see.
get me something to eat, no? I'm working on something.
Watermelon.
Yeah. Oh, thanks. Husna,
What?
can you get that stool closer to me, please? I need to use it, please. Thank you so much.
But sometimes, definitely, with love, I feel like taking that bottle, opening it up, and pouring all the water on it. So these are the things that we do as a married couple. and somewhere where we have a clash on.
I'm sure that you guys also have a couple of things in your list. And if there is something that you can think of, please do write in the comments.
And for the first time, we would like to say,
Click the bell icon.
we've been wanting to say that for a long time, and subscribe to our channel, like our video, so that we do more videos like this, because we love to do these videos, and that's the only reason why we do this.
Thank you so much for watching.
And we've done 100 subscribers!
Yay!